we are investing ahead of the curve, namely in the north. When you are talking about high tech, the concentration of customers investing is much higher in the north. We currently have a land bank of 14 hectares, for which we will plan to actually build 80,000 square meters of A-grade facility. So we'll be putting in place facilities that are way high above the standard that we usually see in Vietnam, which will also help our customer in the tech industry to really service their manufacturing needs, but also their export needs. First, you have the labor cost. So yes, it's always a consideration as to when automation makes sense from a cost standpoint, but we need to also think about the resilience, right? So automation cannot be summarized into just the cost. It has to be also looked into from a resilience standpoint, right? And there we see that we are already, and we have already started to add, should I say, some light touch automations, right? To really help the comfort of our employees first, but also build that resilience into the supply chains of our clients. And this is a model that we see accelerating in the coming months, if not weeks, where we are really trying to scale and build additional, let's say, light robotics within our premises. Of course, logistics has a cost, right? And sometimes it is very easy to go for a more cost-competitive option. In markets that are very competitive, sometimes that can come with additional costs. And those costs are very often blind spots that some customers might not see and will, at a later stage, discover. It can be linked to, obviously, a poor quality, not only of service, but utilized assets can be linked to compliance. So we in DHL obviously do not cut corners, and that's why we really often on second market entry we see customers coming back to us and really looking into those aspects to really streamline the supply chains. But again, logistics might be a cost, but it has to be a competitive advantage from the start.